Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I personally still think this is going to make another push down, and I still think this is an A, B, C of wave B, and I still think eventually it's going to go back up like that. But as of right now, it's definitely still trending up, and if it keeps going, then we should be looking for longs anyways. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think it's a wave B. I think it's just what happened is it's making kind of an irregular wave B. This actually may even be the wave A right here. This may be the wave B, and this little push up we're getting now actually may be the wave C. I still think at some point, probably within the next week or so, and we do have interest rate next week, it's probably going to head down for the wave C of wave B to complete this A, B, and C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've been trending up very strong all week, and it definitely, really for a couple weeks, and it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. So I mean that tells me that this is very, very likely not to be over. I think we're probably in a wave 4 right now. I'd expect to see at least one more push up for wave 5. Then if it goes down and breaks structure like that, that would prove to me that the trend is over, and that we're probably back into the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely think this is a wave 1 here and a wave 2, and this is a wave 3. That means we're currently probably in a wave 4. I think it needs to make some sort of a three-way pullback, probably at least down to a Fibonacci level before it's ready to go long again for a wave 5. So keeping an eye out for that. Let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like impulsive down, probably likely a wave A. This looks like impulsive up and corrective down, so it may actually go up and then down like that to complete a wave B, and then down for a wave C. Maybe go down to the 78% and then continue back up for the wave 5. So this would be a wave 3, this would be an ABC of 4, then it would probably go back up for a wave 5. Now, maybe it will not go up for a wave B like this. Maybe it's just going to go down like this and then just go up like that, which is fine by me. I mean, as long as it makes three ways down to a Fibonacci level and then golfing move to the upside, I definitely will be looking for longs for the continuation of this uptrend, likely a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.